Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a stunning dynamic light effect using Adobe Photoshop. This effect is perfect for posters, ads, and even photo manipulations. So let's get started. First, open Photoshop. Then go to the menu bar, select the file option and click on open. Now select the image of your choice and press open to bring it into Photoshop. Next, go to the layers panel and click on the create new fill or adjustment layer icon. From the options, select Color Lookup. In the properties panel, under the 3D LUT file option, click on moonlight.3dl. Now select the Polygonal Lasso Tool from the toolbar and make a selection over the area where you want to apply the dynamic light effect. Once the selection is complete, go back to the Layers panel, click again on the Create New Fill or Adjustment layer icon, and this time select Brightness Contrast. In the Properties panel, set the contrast to -50 and increase the brightness to 150. Next, in the Layers panel, select the Layer Mask and adjust the feather value from the Properties panel according to your preference. Now press Ctrl J on your keyboard to duplicate the layer mask. Then press Ctrl T to transform and adjust the dynamic light effect as needed. You can also experiment with the feather and opacity settings if necessary. Once you are satisfied with the effect, you can compare the before and after by toggling the visibility of the layers above the background layer. If everything looks good, finalize the image by saving it. To do this, go to the File menu and click Save, or simply press Ctrl S on your keyboard to save the file. And there you have it, a dynamic light effect that you can use in your designs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.